Hi, it's Team Gaming here, and today we are going to tell you a little bit, just a tiny bit about me. So I am called Finley. My favourite thing to do is play on my Xbox. Boom, it's there. You can see it, right? I usually play Minecraft with my friend. Has a blue 123. Has that blue 123. You can meet. And I am Burger Finley 608. So thanks for listening. Bye.
Hello guys, Q2 Team Gaming here, and today I'm gonna be telling you a bit about me. So the favourite thing to do is play on my Xbox there. Sometimes my PS4 there, and very rarely I'll play on my PC. And I normally play with my friends on my Xbox. They are Finley0608, Cozzy Enderman, Face2123, not a face, he's just there. Sometimes my JKB, Ian the Enderman. And yeah, if you like our videos, I do have a Mixer account, his name's Hazable123. I stream quite a lot, so like every day for about 2 hours or so, either 1 hour, 2 hour. But if I have to go somewhere, only about a half hour. Now, if you like our videos, leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below if you think I should do more videos. Alright, bye.